Good morning, dear viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic in sociology, the elements of culture. So let's begin the video. First of all, what is culture? Culture is the way of life of people in a society. It includes their beliefs, customs, values, language, religion, art, food, clothing, and all the things that people learn and share as members of a group. Culture gives us identity. It teaches us how to live, how to think, and how to behave in our community. Every society has its own culture that makes it special and different from others. Remember, we are not born with culture. We learn it from our family, school, religion, and the society around us. Now, let's discuss the main elements of culture one by one, along with your definitions and examples. Firstly, language. Language is the main tool of communication. Through language, people share ideas, feelings, and knowledge. It helps us connect with each other and express our emotions. For example, English, Urdu, Arabic, Chinese, Spanish, French, Persian, Sindhi, Punjabi, and Turkish languages. These are the examples of the uh, culture and elements of culture. Secondly, values. Values are our ideas and beliefs about what is right, good, and important in life. They guide our actions and decisions. For example, how they guide our actions and decisions through honesty, kindness, respect, hard work, loyalty, justice, tolerance, responsibility, generosity, and peace. Thirdly, norms. Norms are the rules and standards of behavior that society expects from us. They tell us how to behave in different situations. For example, greeting elders with respect, waiting for your turn, speaking politely, helping the poor, wearing modest clothes, obeying traffic rules, respecting teachers, not stealing, and being punctual. Fourthly, beliefs. Beliefs are the ideas that people accept as true about life, the world, or the religion. They shape our actions and attitudes. For example, belief in one God, belief in life after death, belief that work hard brings success, belief in destiny, belief in angels, belief in reward and punishment, and belief in the power of prayer. Fifthly, symbols. Symbols are objects, signs, or gestures that have special meanings understood by people of the same culture. For example, national flag, crescent, and star. These are the Islamic symbol. Cross, Christian symbol. White color for peace. Green color for Islam. Handshake is greeting. Rose for love, dove for peace, hardship for affection, and national anthem. Number 6, customs and traditions. Customs and traditions are the usual ways of doing things that are passed from one generation to another. They show the history and lifestyle of society. Here are 10 examples of the customs and traditions given below. Firstly, celebrating Eid, wearing traditional clothes, arranged marriages, greeting with Assalamu alaikum, family gatherings, celebrating Independence Day, giving gifts, visiting elders, serving tea to guests, and using henna on weddings. Number 7, religion. Religion is a set of spiritual beliefs and practices that connect people with divine. It gives moral guidance and brings social unity in society. For example, here are also the 10 examples regarding religion in order to make you understand. For example, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, Sikhism, praying 5 times a day, fasting in Ramadan, giving charity, zakat, and reading or reciting the Holy Quran. Number 8, art and literature. Art and literature are beautiful ways to express culture through creativity and imagination. They reflect people's history, emotions, and ideas. Here are the 10 examples regarding art and literature. For example, poetry, music, painting, calligraphy, drama, architecture, story writing, films, and folk songs. Number 9, number 9, laws. Laws are written rules made by government to keep peace, order, and justice in society. Unlike informal rules, laws are official and must be followed by everyone. For example, law against the theft, law against murder, law of marriage registration, traffic laws, law of taxation, law against corruption, law for women's rights, law of education for all, law of property ownership, and law of citizenship. Number 10 and the final, material culture. Material culture includes all the physical objects created and used by people in society. These things show the lifestyle and technology of that culture. For example, houses, cars, clothes, mobile phones, furniture, tools, books, roads, and computers. In order to sum up this whole paragraph or this whole lecture, dear viewers, culture is the foundation of human life. It shapes our personality, behavior, and way of thinking. Without culture, society cannot exist. Every element of culture, like language, values, beliefs, norms, customs, religion, art, and laws, plays an important role in uniting people and giving meaning to their lives. Culture is like a treasure that passes from one generation to another generation, keeping the identity of a nation alive.